Why wash your rugs before you wrap them in Tyvek? Doesn't Tyvek protect them from everything? Well, keep watching. You'll find out.
We do, in fact, recommend to all our customers that they thoroughly wash their rugs, have their rugs washed before they wrap them in Tyvek. You know why you wrap them in Tyvek for storage in the first place. Keep the moisture, the standing water out in case there's a flood, insects, rodents, and keep them clean so there are no surprises when you lay them back out. However, it's very important to also have them cleaned before they get wrapped into Tyvek. A little bit on what the Tyvek can do for you on this clip from a past video. Tyvek will protect against bugs, rodents, insects, moisture, and dirt. It's tough. It's very tear and rip resistant. It allows moisture through, but not standing water. So if you ever did have your rug stored and if something happened, like overhead water leak, something leaked on the floor and these were sitting on the floor, as long as they're up properly, they'd be protected. So now you know what a Tyvek can do for you to protect the rugs from getting dirty, but why do we care if we want them washed before they go wrapped into Tyvek? Why is that important? Well, take a rug like this. This is a very thick piled rug. If the camera can pick it up, it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. You can imagine the insects or the bugs that can live in here without you even noticing that they're there, and we see that all the time. So if you took a rug like this that's dirty, that's a great breeding ground for insects, it's what we consider that a pre-existing condition, and then you wrap it in a material like Tyvek, where sure nothing can get in, but those insects can't get out either. So the larvae from the moth eat the wool, and you'll have a big surprise when you open it in 3 months or 6 months or several years later when you try to lay the rug out and you have moths flying out of the Tyvek. Very bad. So you get the rugs cleaned, get any dirt, pollen, mold issues, moisture issues, or bug issues out, and then you thoroughly wrap it in Tyvek, label it, and then it's good to go. So that in a year or two, whenever that is, you lay them out in your house, and there are no surprises. You have a clean, fresh, safe, healthy, sanitized rug. Questions? We'd love to hear from you. Leave them in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, we'd appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see more like this, hit that little subscribe button, maybe that bell next to it, and you'll be notified the next time we upload. Thanks again for watching, and keep your rugs clean.
Know somebody who's moving? Have to put their rugs into storage? Well, share this video. We think they'll find it helpful.